is the Doge. Part 2, I got this hat, and we're gonna leave on a helicopter, and I'm gonna show you guys how to beat it. This is like part 2. So we're gonna be on this. This guy is nicer, okay? General is nicer. Thank you guys for the 5 and more subscribers. I hope for 10 subscribers for like the next school, and I'm stuck underground. I'm under the ground. Okay, there we go. Now! Found it! What the heck is it? He's gonna laugh it off. And then he's gonna give it to us. I'm gonna find it first because nobody's getting it. Yep. What? Yeah, I defused one of the bombs. What? Can I get a hat? He won't give me a hat. Nothing, as you just do. Just give us a hat. I don't like this guy. Yeah, I don't like him either, but he's more nicer. Okay, guys. He's like more nicer. We say that is frick. Bella defused them. One of them. Where the friggin' rest? Are they out here? Where was it? It was probably on here. Get to the jumper. Frick, I'm around a tree. I don't think this is safe. No. Oh, dang, I got green. Like, everybody got green. Don't be. That's right. Maybe down here. Sorry. 3 bombs. California. Dang it! Yes. Just one more bomb remains. It's right there, guys. Don't tell me I'm gonna get it. Don't tell me I'm gonna get it. Yes, I diffused it. I can't. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm not afraid of heights. Where the heck are we? So building. I don't want to. It's too scary. Can I? We have to, guys. We have to. Try not to fall, okay? Oh my gosh. 13. You have to make it a board or you like die. No, it's gonna teleport you over here. Don't worry. It's just fun walking. I wanted to walk. Yes, more bombs. No, it's jumping down this. Yeah, they're gonna be on now. It's gonna be okay. You will. I want a hat. I want a hat. One hat to share. Oh my gosh. Now get to work. No, they're gonna stop us. I wanted to try to do it. Let's see, doctor of the animals now. What the heck? I, what? Okay. Okay. Bye. Okay, that was my brother. Just telling me I'm gonna stay up. No, I didn't read what they were saying. But I know he's gonna take us back. Wanna play match? I want. There's a bomb. Never. Oh. Oh, I got my favorite color. Yeah, okay, I'm happy. Ow. Oh my gosh. Besides, the scientist fleeced me. He only gave me $9. Yeah. I said he only gives you $9 and you want your $1 back. Like it's only $1. Ah, ah. The dog sitter is back. The dog sitter is back. Da, 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 ba, 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 ba. Did you rest well? Not really. Right, he's gonna put us in a car. Where's me? Where's me? Where's me? Where's my owner? Where's my owner? Where's my owner? My owner. My owner. My owner. You home? My owner. My owner. 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 Uh, no. My owner says you need to stay here longer. No. No. Ah. Oh, now it's episode 2. Not the dog pan again. Yeah, I know. I hate the dog pan. Let's panic. I hear a car. He has terrible driving skills. The dog sitter is back. I'm just hitting myself. Time for your walk again. Nope. I'm not trusting you. He's terrible driving. I'm gonna play fetch and I'm gonna die. No, 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 no. There's the Easter Bunny. There's the Easter Bunny. There's the Easter Bunny. The Easter Bunny. The Easter Bunny. Let's go find his ear. Who is this rabbit? My name is Income Rabbit. Lost your ear? How? How dare you? Sorry, How dare you come and listen me? I just thought. How dare you? I mentioned my injury. Sorry. So, let's open here. No, because no one will play with me. We're gonna play a game. It's called hide and seek, and we have to find the rabbit. Yay! Let's play hide and seek. I invented that game. No, you didn't. Don't take credit. We in the red. Oh, we have to wait in the red circle or we're gonna die. Tiny. I thought I knew where he was. Uh-huh. You don't get under arrest. Wait in the red circle. Yeah, oh. Whose name is Jack Jack? That person's name is Jack Jack. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come find me. Huh. Oh. Build on me. Got a umbrella. Umbrella. What? What? What did it say? I know I had a sombrero, like for the hat, but like what did it say? Did anybody understand that? Hee hee. Come find me. Again? You're mean. You're mean. You're mean. Mr. Grinch. The highs and vines. Let's go already. Let's go already. I don't know, but I know where he's gonna be hiding, guys. I didn't know. Thank you all. No problem. I haven't had this much fun ever. He's gonna do something later, guys. Okay, guys, that is the end of this part. Stay tuned for like part 3. Bye. Have a great day.